Kids Learn with Fun channel. Diwali is coming, right? So today we will make beautiful floating diyas for Diwali with the help of CD and kundan on it. Come with me. We will make 3 different design of diyas for Diwali. Let's go.
Let's make Diwali more beautiful. For making floating diya, we use some pearls, flowers, CD, floating candle, fevicol, scissor, floating sheet. So let's start making floating diya with CD. Firstly, we paste floating diya on CD. Now we take a floating sheet and cut into in a circular shape or in a CD shape. Now we paste this base with CD by applying fevicol on it. Now we attach this base with CD. Now our base is ready to float in water easily. Now start decorating the floating diya with some pearls. Now we paste some stones on it with the help of fevicol. You can paste any type of stone you would like to apply on CD. Now we paste some golden pearls with the help of fevicol on CD. Now we paste a lace on CD for making border of CD. Now our first floating diya is ready to float in water. Now we make another design on CD. First of all, paste some pearls on it. Now we make a design with the help of sparkle tube. Add some color. You can use any color or make any design. Our second CD is also ready to float. Now let's start decorate third CD. Firstly, we paste lace on it, then some stones on it. Now paste some thermocol pearls for making border beautiful. Now add some flowers on it. Now our third CD is also ready to float.
Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to Kids Learn with Fun channel. Today I will give you one more idea for making our Diwali more beautiful. So, do you know how to make water candles? No? I tell you, today we make 4 designs of water candle for Diwali decoration. Are you ready to make with me water candle? Come with me.
Let's start making water candles. For making water candles, we use transparent glasses. For making water candle very beautiful, we use some decoration material like flowers, stones, thermocol and grass. start making water candles one by one. For making diya batti holder, we use any plastic bottle available in our house. From bottle, we cut 4 pieces of plastic sheet in circular shape. In this plastic sheet, we make a hole in it with the help of needle, or you can use scissor. And then pour all the battis in it and remove extra batti from the holder of the diya batti. Now our batti is ready to blow. Now take a glass for making first water candle. In this glass we add some grass and pour water and add watercolor in it for making it beautiful. Now we add some drops of oil in it. Now pour diya batti stand in it. Now our first glass is ready to blow. Now in second glass we do the same. We add some thermocol balls, add some water in it and add some drops of oil in it, and now put the diya batti holder in it. Now in the third glass we do the same. In this glass we use to decorate pink rose and add some water and oil and then diya batti holder on it. And in fourth glass we add some stones and paper flower. Now our candles is ready to blow. Thanks for watching.
watching, friends. Like my video and subscribe my channel.